Let's understand workflow and workflow automation in Zoho. What is a workflow in Zoho? It's a set of automated steps that run when something happens, like when a new record is created or updated. What is workflow automation? It's when Zoho automatically performs actions for you, saving time and effort. Now, there are two types of workflows. First, trigger actions. This is a simple automation. For example, when a new lead is added, Zoho sends a welcome email, assigns the lead, and creates a follow-up task. Everything happens automatically, no logic needed. Second, trigger logic actions. This is a smart automation. It checks conditions before taking action. For example, if the lead source is website, send email A. If not, send email B. Or if a deal is closed won, send a thank you email. If it's closed lost, send a feedback survey. So what's the difference? The first is simple. Trigger runs actions. The second is smart. Trigger runs logic, then actions. That's workflow automation, helping your business work faster, smarter, and more efficiently with Zoho. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.